Since the beginning of time, artists and hands have been a combination that never mixed together. It's like Pepsi and milk. Or that bit that's in child support. I'm yet to see one person that loves drawing hands. And I know like 99% of you hate drawing them too. Now, see, this is where I come in. You see, as an intellectual myself, I'll be generous today and help you all. Cause I know you probably suck at drawing hands. It's one of the hardest things to draw. I mean, other than feet, but face it, if you're good at drawing feet, people just gonna look at you as a fucking weirdo. As they should. So please, give me some minutes of your time and I'm gonna teach you how to draw these gorgeous hands. I'm gonna learn how to draw hands. Now, hands are separated into three parts. We got carpal, metacarpal and phalangeal regions. But you can just throw that shit out the window, cause we don't need it right now. Trust me, I have wasted my time on this. Cause all you need to do is just learn this 3-step process that will make you draw these marvelous hands. For the first step, we will need to break down the parts of the hand into simple shapes so we can better understand them. We shall use the box for the palm of the head, triangle for the thumb, cause even though thumb is part of the palm, it is only metacarpal that can move, and we shall use cylinders for fingers. Let's start with palm. The box we shall be using for the palm is not just a regular box. It is wider on the side of the fingers than on the base of the arm where it connects to the forearm, and it's a little bit wider than it's longer. Then we shall connect the triangle of the thumb to it. Because of thumb's mobility, imagine it like it's connected like a door hinge, only able to move in, not behind your hand, because if you could do that, that will probably break your finger. And you want your fingers in top position, cause that will probably make your girlfriend happy. Just kidding, I know you're a lonely bitch, I don't know you don't have a girlfriend. For our first exercise, I want you to find some hand references. There are many signs I recommend, such as line of action or pictures, but you can just ask some weird kid, he probably has some. Then we're going to trace over them, simplifying the palm and the thumb area into those two simple shapes. You should do this if just starting out with this method, because you can get better at proportions and perspective. Then, when we're done, we're just going to copy what we trace, so that it actually sticks in our minds. Because you have to practice actually drawing this in order to learn it. And please take as much time as you need. Don't worry about how many you did in that period of time. Because 3 well-focused hand studies will always beat 40 shallow hand studies. And please give yourself a week or two to learn this, cause you shouldn't be rushing here. Your goal here is to get a better understanding of it, and you can master this with only 1 or 2 weeks of practice. After we have learned to draw those shapes, we shall be adding fingers, and we will use cylinders to represent them. One big thing is that the tip of the finger shall be narrower than the beginning of the finger, cause that's how fingers usually look. I mean, if you have sausage fingers, don't need to be ashamed of it. You're just ugly and nobody wants you. You're just gonna die alone, ain't nothing a big deal. We will mark our palm into 4 equal parts so we can better know where to draw the fingers. I know fingers can go into different directions, but they're still going to originate from the same spots. As for thumb, just add them to the triangle shape. As for proportions, it's really important to know how they look like from different hand gestures. And best way to learn that is just get a lot of references of gesture you want. And I know a lot of you don't want to use reference because it makes you look inferior and you want to draw everything from imagination. Just shut the fuck up, okay? For you to learn how to draw it from imagination, you first need to learn how to draw it from references, and you need to do that a lot of times. So please, just shut the fuck up, find that reference, or just take a pic of your hand and start drawing. Now, I do this for the line art part, but after we got our hand ready, we can just add muscles and nails to it. And with that, we got our marvelous, world-breaking... Okay, I will stop now. We got our hand now. Then we're set and done. We finally got our hand. And remember, if you struggle with any of these parts, just take a week or 2 and only practice that. Cause Rob hasn't built in a day, and that can be learned in just a week of practice. So get out there and just draw some hands. Hello, thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I hope God blesses you with a big titty Asian. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when our next video is going to come out. Or if you have any questions or things you might add, just put them in comments below. I always read them. Anyway, catch you later. I was salty. Bye bye.
I'm not a big fan of the government. 30 on 30. I'm not a big fan.